Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, let's see. So here he was preparing for the short sleep while he waited for arms to appear. So he waited for something. He waited for money. He waited for food. Go away, said Ravi sternly. So strictly Ravi said that, go away. My party says it's time you found another house to beg from. So my party said that you have to found another way to beg. So now Ravi said to the beggar. The beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed at each of the children one by one. Gazed means stared. હવે આ જે beggar છે શું કરવા લાગ્યો? He stared each of the children one by one with wide eyes. આ eyes એની wide કરી દીધી and he gazed one of each children one by one. બધાને ઝાંકવા લાગ્યો. The ladies of this house, he said at last in the voice choked with feeling. So બોલતા બોલતા choked means he have several difficulty in breathe. This house પછી he speaking with choke means એને શ્વાસ લેવામાં થોડી તકલીફ પડી and with feeling are very, these house ladies are very kind souls. I have kept my body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. So kept my body and soul together means managed to stay alive. So I have managed to stay alive on their generosity means kindness for a whole week. આખું અઠવાડિયું હું એમની કાઇન્ડનેસ પર જીવતો રહ્યો છું. સો they are so kind people. The ladies of this house were so kind people. So the meaning of beggar. I cannot believe that they would turn me away. So said by beggar that these house ladies were so generous, they were so kind that I do not believe that they told me that they would turn me back. મને પાછો વાળે. I don't believe. So he raised his voice. એણે જોરથી કહ્યું. That beggar raised his voice. Amma, amma, oh, sad his wail might be, but it certainly wasn't feeble. So his voice was sad but not weak. Feeble means weak. એના જે voice હતા અમ્મા અમ્મા, it was so sad but not weak. So strong voice થી આણે બૂમ પાડી. It began in a deep strong rumble somewhere in his withered belly. So withered belly means weak because of age, wrinkled belly. ઓકે સો એજના કારણે જે wrinkle આવી જાય એને શું કહેવાય? withered. સો એના બેલીમાંથી આણે જોરથી rumbled means a deep sound. He એટલે જોરથી આણે બૂમ પાડી. Somewhere in his withered belly and came booming out of his mouth. Booming out means produce a loud sound with its few remaining teeth stained brown with beetle chewing. So boom પાટા પાટા it remains or it appeared its teeth and our teeth પણ દેખાઈ ગયા. And how was its his teeth? That his teeth was stained means marked brown because of chewing beetle. Beetle એટલે સુપારી chewingના કારણે એના teeth ઉપર કેવા marked આવી ગયા હતા? brown marked. So it was appeared because of he was booming out. So a beggar jo to he produced loud sound and because of that his teeth was also appeared. Ravi tell him, now this is the sentence told by Rukumani. Ravi tell him there is nothing left in the kitchen called Rukumani and he is not to come again. Tell him that. She sounded fed up. So now Rukumani says that Ravi tell him there is nothing left in the kitchen. કિચનમાં હવે તારા માટે કશું નથી. Who told that? Rukumani. ઓકે રૂકુમનીએ જોરથી અવાજ કર્યો અને કહ્યું રવિ ટેલ હિમ there is nothing left in the kitchen and he is not to come again. અને પાછો આવીશ નહીં. ટેલ હિમ that. એને આવું કહી દે. She sounded fed up. Fed up means tired, bored થઈ ગઈ હવે. Now she was unhappy with that beggar. Ravi didn't have to repeat it all to the beggar. What his mother said had been easy for them all to hear there under the neem tree. So he was there under the neem tree, and it was so easy to hear all that the Rukumani said to the beggar loudly. So Rukumaniએ જે loudly beggarને કહ્યું, બરોબર, એ બેગરે બધું સાંભળી લીધું. સો રવિ ડીડ નોટ હેવ ટુ રિપીટ ઇટ. રવિ એને રિપીટ કરવા પડ્યું નહીં. ધ બેગર સેટ અપ એન્ડ સેડ. સેડ મીન્સ take a loud breath with sadness. So sat up and નીચે બેસ્યો and he was sad. So now we will stop here, and the next paragraphs we will discuss later. Here the beggar knew that he did not get anything from this house, and he became sad. Now what happened next? Will the beggar get something or not? If yes, then what? જો બેગરને કંઈ મળશે આ ઘરમાંથી કે નહીં મળશે? And if yes, then what? શું મળશે એને? So we'll see or we'll discuss later in the next video. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.